Welcome back, my lovelies. I've got a parcel. I'm sure you already heard about Temu, whatever you call it. I wanted to try out their cross-stitch things from it, and the parcel just got delivered today. Let's open it. So it's completely closed. Let's see. Okay, let's open it up. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Let's see. I see there is one already in another bag. I think I remember what it is. Okay. So this is very well packaged. Okay. 2 wooden hoops. If you know cross stitch or embroidery, you need lots of these. And this is, looks like a really good quality. Okay. And there is 2 in the pack. Okay. So first one done. Good. Next. Okay. So this is the thing. I never tried it before, but I'm really interested to try it out. It doesn't say the name exactly. Okay, I'm gonna show you some bunny ears or bunny loops or something like that. Yeah, finally. Okay. So this is came as 2 as well, but it's 2 different sizes, the small one and the large one. And let's see. It's called like bunny ears because it has these 2 things in it. And I'm going to show you how to use them. Okay, so this is where you put your Ida, and on the bottom part you put these into this holder on the bottom like that. Wow, it's really strong, and it can keep your Ida nice and it's not gonna move away, because sometimes if you use these wooden ones it can come off a tiny little bit, so you have to move around a lot. But with this one it's not gonna move an inch, and you got 2 different sizes, so I think this one is the perfect size for this. Yeah. Okay. It looks like this. I can't wait to use this. I'm really interested to see if they are work as they are say. Okay. Next one. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is tiny. I thought it's going to be a little bit bigger. Okay. I've got a little pin. I don't know if you can see it properly or not. Yeah. So one clasp pin. Usually this is how I make, well, with my husband, the needle minders. So can you see, what should I say, this sharp pointy part of it? My husband cut it off, and I glue some magnets on the top, and you can use it as needle minders. Okay, let's see next. So this is another thing I'm really interested in. I did my own with paper, which works, but this one was really cheap, like, I don't know, £1 or something. Okay, and now this is magnetic, so if you take this off and put it on, it's gonna stick to this part, so the magnet is gonna be on the back. and it's a line finder. So when you have a pattern printed out, like a piece of paper, or you can laminate it, you put it on and you exactly know where are you on the pattern, so you don't have to always look around, oh, what was my line, where I am now again. This is gonna show you and makes it so much easier and faster to stitch and find where you are. It's good. Making a mess. Okay, next one. Okay, this is long, so you can have 37 different threads. So if you start like a pattern, you find all of your colors what you need, and you can add them to each of the holes. I'm gonna show you how in the next video, and you can keep them all here. So when you start a stitch in the evening, you just take it out. You don't have to look for your colors again. It's right here. It's easy, and it's very strong, very durable. It's great. Okay. My new favorite things, plastic canvases. So I've got a brown one. Let's take it out. Both of them are 14 count. So like brown plastic canvas, one brown and one black. I always try to buy a light blue one, but it's always out of stock. So fingers crossed, send me lucks, because I really want the light blue one. Okay, just can't get it. Okay, what's this one? Oh, there is another pin. As you can see, I like to use them as needle minders. Okay, which one is this? Okay, this is me. I don't know if you can see, my broom is in the shop. Because I'm a little witch. Okay, two things left, but this one is not quite cross stitch related, but I'm gonna make it. Okay. I'm going to make my very own bag fully cross stitched. Wow, this is heavy. Okay, so this is like the top, so you can open it. Yeah, actually you can have this on. I'm not sure how big this is, but not bad, not bad. So let's see. Okay. 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 Here we go. Wow, that's quite long. That's really good. So you can have it like this or like this. And my plan is to make a, well, I don't know how big it's gonna be, but it's gonna be quite big, so I can take it, you know, on in the town. So it's gonna fit my phone, my purse, things, you know, what I always put in my bag. So it's gonna be big enough, and I'm going to take you with me on the journey, because I have to find out how to put them in here, in these parts of it. But you see these little holes? That's where you're gonna sew it around, so it's gonna be in there. So I have to find something, I don't know, like a thick fabric, because just the Ida is not gonna be enough, so I have to sew it together first to make a really strong fabric material, and then put it in here and sew it together with the bag thing. And for this I bought this one because this is like, it says crystal string, strong and stretchy. I don't know what you can see. Okay, so it's clear. That's what I choose this one. If I can show you. Oh, here. Yeah. So it's clear, really strong, and I plan to use it here, so you can't actually see it. So it's gonna be nice and clean, and because it's strong, it's gonna be a bag for a long time. Well, fingers crossed. But I'm gonna show you when it's gonna be starting. I think it's gonna be a few parts for that project, so not like one video, but you're gonna come with me and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so all of these cost me less than £15, and it arrived in like, I think it was 8 or 9 days. I think it was 8, so it's very good. So the 2 plastic canvases, and I checked on eBay because I couldn't find any plastic canvas anywhere else in the UK for some reason. 4 of them cost like £16 or £12 or £16, and here on Temu, it's only £1.20 each, which is great. So what do you think of this haul? Which one would you like to try? Which one did you try already actually? Have you tried these bunny hoops before? Does it work? Do you like it, or do you prefer the wooden ones, the wooden hoops? So this was my Temu order. What do you think? Which one do you like? Which one is your favorite? I think I'm really excited to try out these bunny hoops. I think that's what I'm gonna call them, bunny hoops. And of course, I love these pins. In one of my next videos, I'm going to show you all of the other accessories what you need as a beginner for cross stitching. So keep an eye out of that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And let me know what would you like to see in my next video or the next few videos. If you not watch my ultimate cross stitch tutorial fabric part, please do it now and let me know what you think. The second video is coming out soon as well. If you're interested to know about all the different kinds of threads and flosses, what you can use, just keep watching. Subscribe and you will notified when I'm gonna upload those videos. In the meantime, happy stitching. Bye. Oh, I can't wait to use this. I'm going to have the best purse ever. I already know the pattern.